Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to send BCC meeting invitation recipients in Outlook. Firstly, open Outlook and create a new calendar invite. In the invite, click the Require button or the To field to open the Select Attendees dialog. In the Resources field, just add the email addresses of the people you want to hide from other attendees. Recipient listed under Resources will be hidden from the other attendees, achieving a BCC-like effect. Now, all you have to do is finalize and send. Complete the invite details, then click Send to distribute it to all attendees. Just note that while this workaround uses the Resources field as a BCC substitute, Outlook doesn't have a direct BCC feature for calendar invites. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.